Welcome to SEET Math. With congruence and similarity we are back. Here's another question. At the very left triangle of here, now we are given with these things that A, F, C, D and B, all these dotted lines around here are perpendicular bisectors as well as the angle bisectors. It means that this distance over here is equal to this distance, and it's the same for all the other pair of sides, as well as these angles over here are also congruent to each other. It means that, like, if I were to mark this over here, now this is equal to this because both angles are equal to each other, since this dotted line over here is the right bisector, angle bisector of this angle A. Now the length of AD over here is 3x. Now 3x, and it should be 3x as well, because since this is equals to this, and the length of AC is 24. From over here to here, this length totals for 24. Now they are asking you for the value of x. That's pretty simple. Now we would use the concept of congruence and similarity. Look for these two angles I'm marking. Okay, let me use another color to make it more visible to you. I'm using blue color over here. Now this angle over here, right angle ACF over here, which I'm marking here in blue, this right angle over here is, now look at this angle and this angle, which I am now marking in purple, angle ABF over here. Look for both of these angles. You would notice one thing. The one thing you would notice is that this line which I'm marking over here in red, this line is common to both of these angles. So it means that a side is common to both of these angles. It means the side is congruent to both of these angles. And as marked earlier, this angle over here is equals to this angle over here, so that one angle is also congruent, and this angle over here is also 90 degrees. It is also a right angle. It means that by using the angle side angle postulate, we can relate both of these angles as right triangle ACF is congruent to right triangle ABF. Now look at here, right triangle ACF is congruent to right triangle ABF. Now if this postulate holds true, yes, which it does, so it means that the corresponding sides of these two angles, these two triangles, must also be congruent. It means that the side over here, now this side AC, okay, let me mark it in another color so that it's easier for you to keep track of these things. Now this AC is congruent to this AB. Now over here we know that AC, the measurement of AC is equal to the measurement of AB. It means since AC is 24, which is given above over here, and AB, since this is 3x, it sums for a total of 6x. Now solving for x, what we get, 24 over 6, we divide both sides by 6, which gives us a total of 4. Now looking over here, the answer 4 is in the option A. So option A is the correct option for this question. Thank you for being with us.